Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's Grocery Stores. Thanks so much for stopping in today. I'm gonna show you an incredibly classic technique that's gonna help enhance the flavor of everything you eat, and that is how to properly caramelize onions. I can't think of anything that is simpler to do and as cost effective as caramelizing onions to definitely take your food over the top. And it doesn't matter if you're serving it on a burger, in a sauce, or in a soup, it's easy and incredibly delicious. There are definitely a few different cuts, obviously depending on what you want to put it on. Like when you have those big, thick sliced rings, maybe for the top of a burger, some thinly sliced onions that maybe go in a sauce, or those small diced cuts that are going in a soup. It doesn't matter because the process is all the same. So what I'm going to do is head over to my cooktop and in a very large saute pan, about 10 or 12 inches, over medium-high heat, I'm going to add in some unsalted butter until it's melted. Yes, you can use olive oil. Go ahead and add in your sliced onions, and what we want to do is stir these every 2.5 to 3 minutes for about 15 to 20 minutes total. Let me stop and say this. You have to let these cook. You can't come in there and immediately start stirring because you'll miss that perfect golden brown that takes place during the caramelization process. You have to let them sit. Don't worry, they're not going to burn at these low temperatures, but do stir them every 2.5 to 3 minutes. At this point, you can see that they're nice and brown. This would be fantastic in a sauce, definitely over a burger, and even in a soup. What a great way to bring out those natural sugars and that caramelization in the onions that provides so much extra flavor to whatever it is you're eating. Now, this would be the first part of caramelization, or what I would consider it to be anyways. What if you wanted to make an onion soup and take these even further? Or what if you just wanted extremely caramelized onions? What I would do is turn the heat down to low and every 5 minutes stir it for an extra 20 to 25 minutes. That's right, these will cook for a total of 40 to 45 minutes, but oh my goodness, there isn't anything more flavorful out there. Absolutely delicious. So easy to make and an incredible way to provide a lot of extra taste to whatever it is you're eating. I will stop and say this, you don't want to over caramelize because then they can become bitter. Make sure they're a nice deep brown, they're still translucent and soft, and got a nice sweet finish. That is it. So easy to do as I just told you. Get to caramelizing. We'll see you next time.